Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by acting immediately. Open the Google account recovery page and enter the deleted account address. Explain why timing matters. Google often allows recovery within a limited window after deletion. You must use a familiar device and network because signals verify you. Once done, provide the last password you remember and a recovery email or phone. If prompted, choose Try Another Way until you reach the verification steps. Make sure to note the exact deletion date if asked. Once you reach verification, proceed methodically. Enter the most recent password you recall and any two-step codes sent to your phone or authenticator app. Explain why. Matching historical details proves ownership. If asked when you created the account, estimate month and year, accuracy increases success odds. If you don't get a code, request it again and check spam. Make sure to keep the recovery window open in the browser while you retrieve codes, because timeouts can force you to restart. You finish by setting a new strong password and immediately updating recovery email and phone to prevent repeat loss. Explain why this matters. Updated contacts make future recovery easier. If recovery fails, don't panic. Wait 48 to 72 hours and try again with more precise historical details or different device. If you repeatedly get blocked, document error messages and attempted dates. Use Google's account help prompts only when available. One troubleshooting tip: clear cookies or try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.